this episode of creating a scrolling maze on Scratch. We have successfully completed this fun little game so far, where we have a bear that collects collectibles. And by the way, I have changed some of my player art since we did the previous video, and it's getting chased by a bee. However, we want the bear to reach the end and complete this game. So let's finish this game once and for all. And what we're going to do in today's video is add the winning sequence, of course, and let's also fix any bugs and things I would recommend you do to your game. So first thing first, let's see what we have done so far. I recommend you turn the bee speed to 4, but as we added in the previous video, it's completely selectable to how much you want it to be. So we need to add a win sequence, of course, and what we're going to do today, as I am not finished doing in this version of my game, is add that. But first of all, what I'd recommend you do to your game is add some more collectibles, as so far we have only added 1. You do this by duplicating our previous ones until we have a new one, and then going to it and changing the coordinates so that they don't all go to the same place. I'm going to change it so that it goes to this place, and now we have successfully added another one. If you're thinking, wait, I haven't done this so far, then make sure you watch the previous video as I show you how to add the bee and some collectibles. So let's finish the game. So first thing, just make sure that all of the fail screens and frames are on the front layer. So just go forward and just write like 1 million or something. I can't be bothered to count the zeros. And that way, when it's pressed, we now know that the frame will be above everything. So let's play. Now, as you can see here, we have a bee chasing us. I would also recommend you do the map for it to be bigger, as we can just do this by changing the number here. Just make sure all the collectibles are in the right place, as we don't want them to just randomly go into the walls and make them impossible to get. So let's play. What else do you think we should add? Which is, in my opinion, is the most obvious. We can't win this game. So first thing we're going to do is make it so that when it goes to one place, that's when we win. So first of all, I'd recommend you create this. It's a you win screen. It doesn't have to be anything complicated. And then just write 1 green flag, click to hide. Next, we're just going to hide the fail screen real quick. Let's go to the map sprite. And then pick some coordinates that you want the bear to go for to win. For example, as you can see here, I have done this, and what we want it to do is make it go, when it goes to these coordinates, the game says, oh, you've won, if it has the right number of collectibles, of course. So we can do this by getting a 1 green flag click loop, or we can use the existing one, getting a forever loop, and then get if statement. Next, this is the part where it gets long. Get a if y position, get an x position as well. If y position is equal to, and we can see here I've set it to be, let's get another one of these. First of all, get an or statement. Select one of these, duplicate it, get one on each side, and make it that if it's -256 or -264, then that's when we want it to say, oh, that's the right place. Get that and put it into the end statement. Make sure you grab it by the or. This is going to be a long if statement, so get prepared. And we want it to go to x minus 503. Now, if you're confused as you might know a bit of Scratch and know there's a limit to how much the sprite can move, then you should watch the previous video as I show you how to bypass that limit. So, okay, I'm just going to make it say hello for testing. That's what I like to do for test. Just go for simple, see if it works. Oh no, Dabby nearly caught us. Go, go, go. Okay, we lost the bee for now. Oh, it's there. Next, if we go to this place, it should say hello. Oh, let's go. We made it work. Now, we want it to broadcast a new message, which I'm going to call win. It doesn't have to be anything complicated. Next, go to the when you win screen. Go to that when it says with a win broadcast message. And then that's when it should show and stop all. So that's, I literally already lost and I just started the game. Go, 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 go. Yes. Oh yeah. Also make it go to make it go like 1 million layers forward. Get that. There we go. We have now made it win. We have now made our player win. And you might be thinking, why did we add collectibles then? Are they just to distract the player? Well, actually no. Go back to the maps, right? Get another end. I told you this one's going to be long. Look how long this is. Get that. Actually grab it by the end. Put that in. And get an equal statement. Turn that to the number of collectibles you have added. And get that if score equals 4 or whatever number you want, then broadcast win. So it now needs to have both of these in order for it to win. And now look how big that if statement is. Let's test it out. Go, go, go. Come on, get in there. Let's go. We have successfully made it win. Now, I knew this video was a bit short, but we covered the essentials on it. And I feel like that's a good place to end our tutorial series. Now remember, this project is shared and you can play it. So the link is, I'll post a link in the description. This is the link, by the way. And if you want to play it, have a go, compare your codes, and see how good you can time is. You can do that. You can also add a timer as just quickly. Let's just go inside. Create a variable named time, and go get another forever loop in there. Do that. And then get a wait 1 second. And then change time by 1. I'd recommend you actually make it wait 0.1. Change time by 0.1. And it gives you a more accurate timer. Oh wait, make sure you get a change rather than a set. So get the change time. And now we have a timer to it. Always make sure that the time is set to 0 as well when you start. So stop. I'm gonna just create it 1 second. And then you just get a simple timer. That's it for this tutorial series. I hope you had fun making. Thanks for watching. And remember, I will continue all this and create something new. Another good project that will be fun to make and quite impressive at the end once you have created it. So make sure to subscribe for that. Thanks for